In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple website with Carrd. First, open your browser and go to the Carrd website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a free account and then sign in. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, look for the option that says New Site and click it. This is where you'll start building your website. Carrd will now show you different categories of templates. You'll see options like Profile, Landing, Form, Portfolio, and Sectioned. These are just different styles of one-page websites. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on creating a simple profile-style site, but you can click through the other categories to get a feel for what's available. When you're ready, click on the Profile category, then choose a profile template as an example. Browse the templates and pick one that fits your style and purpose. When you click a template, it will open in the editor so you can customize it. One of the first things you'll usually want to change is the background image. In the background settings, choose the option to select an image. Then browse your computer, pick an image you like, and click Upload to set it as your background. Next, update your profile picture. Click on the profile image area in the template, choose an image from your computer and upload it. Try to pick a clear, high-quality photo that represents you or your brand well. Now, let's edit the text. Click on the main text area where the name is displayed and type in your own name. Below that, there's usually a short description or tagline. Click that text and type in a brief description about who you are or what the site is for. Keep it simple and clear so visitors immediately understand the purpose of your page. Scroll through the rest of the template and add any other important information you want to include, such as your role, services, or links to your social profiles. Adjust the text so it feels personal and accurate. Once your details are set, it's time to publish. Open the menu in the editor and click on Publish. You'll be asked to choose a title for your site and type in a short description. This helps describe your site and can be useful for search engines. Next, choose a domain name on the Carrd subdomain. Type in the name you want and make sure it's available. When everything looks good, click Publish. Carrd will process your site and give you a live link you can share with others.